What time is that rain rolling in tomorrow, Scott?
We'll see some spotty showers in the morning hours, but I think the heavier rain is between the 9 to 10 o'clock hour and then continuing through our midday into the afternoon. So let's take a look at that first alert futurecast. Latest data coming in, so some spotty showers cannot be ruled out as you wake up and head on out the door 6 to 7 o'clock. But then you notice by about 9, start to see some of that activity in the west sides of North Texas, 9 to 10 o'clock. Then it starts to spread and kind of expand a bit more. Cold front still back towards the northwest, but we have that upper level energy moving overhead, so we see that widespread rain on the way. Now, what's new around noon, still those rounds of rain moving through. You notice south of 20, then the potential of some of that heavier rain, some of those strong to severe storms. I think into the afternoon, a little bit more instability on the way, but you notice there will be times that maybe that rain tapers off a bit before some more heavy rain moves its way through. 2 to 3 o'clock, you notice that the image not as red and orange, indicating maybe some breaks in some of that heavier rain, that heavy widespread rain, but by 3 to 4 o'clock, that increases again in intensity. So off and on through the day, strong to severe storms possible. Flooding rain, a big concern. By the time we get to about 8 or 9, still some leftover showers, and then we start to see that activity taper off. So we issued the alert for tomorrow, and here's the reason why. I do expect to see some isolated strong to severe storms with the potential of large hail in the forecast. Maybe some damaging wind gusts, but flooding's my biggest concern. A flood watch goes into effect at 7 a.m. for parts of North Texas through Friday morning. Not all of us under the watch, but some of us are, because we'll see maybe a half of an inch to near 3 inches of rain in some areas. So that slight risk of any of the storms turning severe does include the southwest sides of Tarrant County. Southwest of that, all the areas in yellow. The remainder of the Metroplex in North Texas under that marginal risk of any storms turning severe. Here's the flood watch. It goes for Johnson County, Ellis County, all of our counties to the south from 7 a.m. to 7 a.m. tomorrow to 7 a.m. Friday. So the satellite and radar combined shows that off towards the northwest, we will continue to see this front moving its way on in, and we can see maybe that half of an inch to near 3 inches of rain in some localized spots. We don't have that right now. It's 81 after topping out at 90 degrees across the Metroplex, low 80s to the mid 70s. That's the same story across the majority of North Texas. Going into tomorrow, our rain coverage really increasing to 90%. 77 degrees will be near midnight, and then in the late afternoon hours in the low 70s. Friday we're at 83, precip chances around 20%. But then on Saturday, back to 92. By Sunday, sunny skies and 94 degrees. And we continue that stretch of 90s as we go into next Monday and Tuesday. So we trade the rain for a lot of sweat, apparently.
Well, and a good brunch forecast, I'd argue.
Yes, absolutely.
Thank you, Scotty.
Yeah.